The all-in-one crypto platform FOMO is getting even better for traders like you and me. Why? Because they've introduced perps. So today I'm going to show you how to open and close perps trades on the platform, whilst also showing you how to deposit and navigate the new perps addition to their platform. As always, this is not financial advice, this is for education purposes only. Special shout out to FOMO for sponsoring this video. If you're keen to sign up, you get a little discount on your fees down below. It's in the link down below. Let's dive in. So FOMO, as you know it, is a platform that allows you to trade socially across the majors like crypto, in Bitcoin and Hyperliquid and Solana and XRP, as well as the low AI or meme coin trenches. Now, the beautiful part about this is that it fully embeds social integration. As you can see here, we have weekly top traders right now across the board. You have trending tokens, and down the bottom, there's a selection of opportunities. As I said, you can sign up in the description down below. But the newest feature, which we're going to focus on today, is this perps feature, which is right here on the screen. Go long or short. So basically, you don't necessarily need to own the token. You can take a position using leverage on perps via FOMO app and long or short the potential tokens. Now, as always, trading crypto is extremely risky. If you're someone that doesn't know how to exactly look at a chart and figure out which way it potentially could go, check out my community down below. GTG, we're a trading education crypto community, and I think if you're looking to learn how to trade, it's a great opportunity. Now, obviously, you can see here that they have a lot of options. They have Hyperliquid, they have BTC, they have MU, they have the S&P 500, they have SanDisk, which is one of the highest returning stocks in this year. So as always, please do your own research. Trading with leverage, and particularly in crypto, is very risky. Now let's dive into how you actually get started on FOMO to trade perps. All right, so let's talk about actually perp trading before I show you how to deposit and how to actually open a short or a long. So longs are basically, if you think price is going to go up, you're going to take a long position. Now, if you think price is going to go down, then you can take a short position. And as it says here on the platform, perps is a perpetual contract. So basically, it's a derivative. So you're borrowing money from the platform. That the type of trade where you predict whether a price will go up or go down. You can long on a bet for price to go up, or you can obviously short on a bet for price to go down. What is leverage? Leverage allows you to gain exposure using borrowed liquidity to take a larger position than what you would do if you only had your own money. Leverage obviously increases both your potential profits and your downside risk, so always be extremely careful. What is liquidation? Liquidation is the price in which your whole position blows up, and basically you would lose the entire margin that you've allocated, okay? Basically, it happens by either over leveraging or over allocating to a trade. And when liquidation hits, it often means your whole position is closed automatically and you lose all of that money that you allocated to the trade. So as it says here on the platform, you can choose between crypto, stocks, commodities, and use up to 50x leverage on some of the tokens slash stocks that they have listed on their platform. So you click the trade perps option, and here is your menu as we showed you before. So there's a reason I'm holding up my phone and showing you the phone, because the Perps platform is only available to the app in certain geolocations at this stage. However, it is coming very soon to the platform via desktop, which makes it so much easier for people like you and people like me who love to trade across both devices. Now, I'm going to show you how to deposit cash onto the platform. As you can see here, they've got three different options. You can use crypto, which is the one that I traditionally use, where you send money from Phantom, or you send money from your Raby or MetaMask wallet, or you can obviously send it directly from a centralized exchange. You click on that option, you can choose the chain that you want to deposit from. I'll click Solana, and bang, I could send my money from Solana to this chain. As it says, deposit USDC from Solana network to this wallet. Alternatively, I could do Base. Base is a big popular chain for AI tokens right now. I could send 0.5 deposit at least 0.5 USDC to your cash balance. Bang, it needs to be on the Base network. Now, alternatively, you can come all the way back to the start and you can include, now this is where it really becomes a game breaker. FOMO recently introduced thousands or hundreds of thousands of people to crypto trading via Apple Pay. So if you click Apple Pay, it'll take you directly through and allow you to basically deposit directly from your Apple Pay or your credit cards or your debit cards directly into the platform. And as you can see here, they're even giving you a $0 fee on your first buy. So for example, say I wanted to get Pengu and I wanted to do that, it's going to click up like this, all right? As it shows you, it's going to load, $0 fee down the bottom, and bang, if I was to click Apple Pay as it shows you here on the screen, what that would allow me to do is to directly deposit $100 from my credit card or my debit card, whatever is linked, okay, directly via Apple Pay to the platform and buy $100 of Pengu for free, mind you, for the first token. Amazing when you're looking at it. I mean, look at some of these tokens, like even cards I can buy straight away, which is one of the trending tokens right now. Now, obviously, the last one that you can do is deposit, okay? Deposit cash with a debit card directly. So if you don't want to use Apple Pay, for example, I wanted to deposit 100 US dollars. I can click debit cards. They have a higher success rate compared to Apple Card. You click continue, and you obviously enter your card details as it is shows you here. Pay with Coinbase or pay directly with a debit card. It'll go through this process nice and quickly. So you got to log in and sign in via Coinbase, and that allows you to deposit directly using a debit or credit card. Okay, now that the formalities are out of the way with the wallet infrastructure and obviously how to deposit, now we need to talk about how to actually move money from your traditional FOMO account, which allows you to trade anything on chain, to actually the Perps account. Now we're going to click on Bitcoin here, and I'm going to show you a live example of how to open a trade, how to close a trade, things to consider, and how to transfer money directly from your wallet on FOMO into the Perps application on the platform. So if I say it wanted to long Bitcoin here, okay, it's pulled back into a region. I know whilst looking at other charts that it's currently fighting its golden pocket from the swing low to the current swing high. For example, I wanted to open along here because I think crypto or BTC is going to go up. As you can see here, you can slide a sidebar across. That allows you to change between different types of leverage. As always, please, if you don't know what leverage is, check out GTG and we'll talk about that and show you education around how to understand it. For the sake of this video, I'm going to do a 5x leverage option, which means I'm borrowing 5x of my money. So say I put $20 of margin up with 5x leverage, it means that I'm technically trading with a $100 position. So if I wanted to transfer, so for example, I would say I wanted to allocate $50 or $60 or whatever it happens to be. As I said, if I allocated $20, if I don't have money in my Perps account, as it shows you down the bottom, it's going to say transfer cash into the Perps application on FOMO. So let's go across and we're going to do that straight away. We're going to slide to transfer. Again, you can change all of these amounts. For the sake of this video, I'm going to transfer $100, slide to transfer, and it's going to transfer it from my cash account into the Perps account on the platform and be ready to rumble. Once this transfer goes through, we'll be able to therefore start looking at allocating a position. Now, a few things here. Yeah, bang. Okay, it's got my money across here. And as it shows you up the top, as I said, if I allocate $20 to this trade on 5x leverage, it says leverage side $100, as you can see up the top there. Now, obviously, for every trade, okay, no matter trades that I take, I should always have a plan. Always have a take profit plan, always have an invalidation or a stop loss target. Again, if you don't know these things, check out GTG. Over on the right side, it allows you to put in a take profit or a stop loss. So for the sake of this trade, I want to see Bitcoin trade back towards the highs of the local range, which is around $65,000, right? And my stop loss is probably going to sit a little bit below where price is today. So let's go $61,900, all right? As you can see here, for this current setup, okay, I would earn, if my TP was to hit 18% on this trade on 5x leverage, and if it was to hit my stop loss, I would lose 6.23% on the trade. In cash terms, it shows you underneath. I would lose $1.25 of my allocated $20, or if it hits my take profit at 65K, I would earn $3.70. I'm going to save the changes, okay, and it's ready to rumble as it shows you here on the side. Now, double check it all again, okay, double check it all again. Stop loss is ready, take profit is ready. $20 on 5x leverage, bang, let's take the position. Opening a BTC long, and it'll go through nice and quickly. There you go, okay? The beautiful part about FOMO is the UI is just so clean. As you can see here, my stop loss is currently below some of those equal lows. My take profit is back towards some of these highs that we haven't seen on Bitcoin since probably a couple of weeks ago. Now, ultimately, it still shows you the position. So right now, 5x long, $19.83. That means if I was to close it right now, I'm down 0.01 or 0.06% in there, and it shows me my liquidation price. As always, the higher leverage you apply, the closer your liquidation price is going to be to price action. Now, ultimately, you should never be liquidated, okay? If you don't know how to trade with leverage, you probably should avoid this. But always make sure you're managing your risk appropriately. And as I said, if you're looking to learn, follow me here on the channel, or obviously join me in my community. As you can see some of the other positions that are currently open. Dip Wheeler, one of the biggest meme coin names out there, has a long on Bitcoin right now, up $176, and a few other people on the platform. Again, social awareness on this platform is amazing. Now, obviously at the bottom, it shows you two different options, okay? I can either close the position or I could add to the position. Say, Bitcoin goes down a little bit low and I want to get a second entry, or I want to double down because there's a lot of strength on the chart that I'm looking at. I could click long more. This would allow me to double down on my trade and add even more. Scroll down, pull down the pull down bar, close position. Now we're going to show you how to close a position here. As it shows you right now, I'm down 18 cents on my position. That's my margin, but the whole position size is 99.65 with the leverage that's been applied. I'm going to take an estimated loss of around 0.03, a fee, obviously. Fees are on every platform. I'm going to close the position right now because I'm like, no, hold on a minute. I don't really like this trade. I think that Bitcoin could potentially go lower because I was long. So therefore, I don't want to take money on the loss side. And bang, there we go. You're out of the position. It no longer shows up. Come back to the front and bang, you're out of all of those positions. As I said before, you can choose a range of different options from stocks to the top crypto altcoins to gold to Google to Near protocol, which had a recent rally to Bitcoin. So many options on the platform. And if you have any questions at any time, please let me know. Now, as you scroll here and as it shows you in that little blue box there, okay, the leverage that you can use on that specific asset. Okay, so Coinbase token 10x. If you come to Jitto, which is the Solana token, you can only allocate 5x of leverage. Okay, which is great because ultimately you don't want to be over allocating or over leveraging if you don't know what you're doing. So if you have any questions, guys, let me know in the comments down below. Make sure you jump onto FOMO. The discount link is down below. So FOMO is making it so easy for us to access not only just traditional on-chain markets, but using perps and leverage at the same time. This is a all-in-one platform that allows you to trade in and out using US dollars. That means you don't have to go to layer ones. It doesn't mean you need to go to layer twos. You can trade any token that is trending or obviously alive out there on FOMO. And now you can add perps to that even more. One of the best platforms I've ever seen in crypto. Before we play the outro, availability obviously depends on your jurisdiction. Please do thorough research before trading in crypto, let alone using leverage. It is extremely risky. Trading crypto is extremely risky. Educate yourself. Find some educational material online or join me in the GTG community. As always, trading crypto is risky. So this isn't financial advice. This is for educational purposes only. Massive shout out to FOMO. And as I said before, if you're keen to sign up, the link is down below. As always, guys, have a lovely day and I'll see you guys in the next video.